Hey everyone, my name is Sahil and in today's video, we will discuss the Insulation Piercing Connector Installation Checklist. This checklist helps you make sure your IPCs make reliable, long-lasting connections on site. But why should you listen to me? At Axis, we have been manufacturing and supplying overhead line hardware such as insulation piercing connectors to more than 100 countries from the last 30 years. Our accessories are approved in more than 80 utilities across India, Africa, Latin America, and the entire globe. So, let's start with the basics. What are insulation piercing connectors? IPCs are used to connect two insulated cables without stripping the insulation. When you tighten the bolt, sharp metal teeth inside the connector pierce through the insulation and make contact with the conductor. This creates a secure, low resistance and waterproof electrical connection in low voltage aerial bundle cable systems. Let's discuss this checklist. Firstly, product specification and performance standards. Before you buy any insulation piercing connector, check that it meets the correct standard for your application. For low voltage aerial bundle cable systems, it must comply with NFC 33020. For medium voltage covered conductors, it should comply with EN 50397-2. These standards define the connector's electrical, mechanical, and sealing performance. They ensure the connection stays watertight, maintains low contact resistance, and performs safely under load. Always ask for test certificates that confirm compliance. All low voltage IPCs manufactured at Axis are tested and approved as per NFC 33020. Here's a video showing how to test them. The link is in the description. Now, secondly, correct connector model selection. Before installing an insulation piercing connector, you must match the connector to the correct cable sizes. Different connectors are designed for different conductor sizes and insulation thicknesses. If you use a connector that is too small or too large for the cable, their piercing teeth will not make adequate contact and the insulation will get damaged. The result can be a loose connection, higher resistance, or even failure under load. Choose a connector size exactly as per the datasheet. Now, thirdly, proper cable identification. Before you install the connector, identify whether you're working on a phase conductor or the neutral messenger. In LV aerial bundle cable systems, there are 3 insulated phase conductors and 1 neutral messenger. The neutral carries return current and also supports the mechanical load of the bundle. Never mix them up during tapping or branching. If you install the connector on the neutral instead of the phase, the circuit will not work as intended and can cause faults, unbalanced loads, and power loss. Always check the cable markings or position before piercing. Number 4. Endcap installation. Before you tighten the connector, make sure the end cap is in place. Many installers forget it during installation. The end cap seals the open end of the connector and prevents moisture or water from entering through the branch outlet. Without it, water collects inside the connector, leading to corrosion and high contact resistance. Over time, this can cause heating or even failure of the connection. Always fit the end cap firmly before tightening. If you're finding this checklist helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on electrical engineering. Number 5. Tightening of shear head bolts. Each insulation piercing connector comes with a shear head bolt. While installing, tighten the bolt until the head breaks off. This breakpoint is designed to give the required torque for adequate contact pressure. If you stop before it breaks, the connector will stay loose and create high contact resistance. If you over-tighten using extra tools after it breaks, you can damage the teeth or deform the housing. Tighten only until the shear head breaks for a secure and reliable connection. Now, number 6. Engineering grade plastic. Do not accept insulation piercing connectors made from random or low quality plastic. Engineering grade plastic is UV and weather resistant, providing strength and durability. It can withstand extreme conditions without degrading. Low quality plastic will crack and fail under stress. This compromises your connector's ability to grip the cable securely. Number 7. Do not use an IPC as a mid-span joint. Insulation piercing connectors are designed for non-tension applications. They are meant to distribute power by tapping from the main line, not to join two cable ends. When a cable breaks or needs to be extended, installers use an IPC to connect the two ends. But it cannot take the mechanical load and will fail under tension. For such cases, always use a midspan joint or compression joint that is tested for tensile strength. Use IPCs only for branching or distribution or streetlights. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what to check before buying and installing insulation piercing connectors. If you have missed anything important, please share it in the comments section below. At Axis, we are proud of our contribution to rural electrification projects across India, Africa, Latin America, and the globe. Axis products like the IPC are critical to the success of government schemes like Saubhagya and the currently running RDSS as well, playing a key role in enhancing electrical infrastructure. Before you move on to another video, remember that even the best checklists can't compensate for proper installation. Watch this video to learn more about the correct installation procedures for insulation piercing connectors.